Hey, talk to me, baby.
Who do you love?
Well, that depends on what you're giving me.
Don't be such a man. I ran the names of the 5 victims like you asked. No overlap in arresting officers, public defenders, or district attorney.
Do I sense a butt?
Small butt.
That's not what I was jonesing for.
You're killing me with entendre. But each one was processed at the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse at 100 Center Street.
Do you have any idea how many cases run through there every year?
122,998, but at least we've eliminated 4 other boroughs.
Yeah, great. All right, that's a start. Thanks.
Ta.
Do you have any idea how many cases?
122,998 cases a year.